तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्।
विघ्नेश्वरा गणनाथ गजानन विघ्नेश्वरा गणनाथ गजानन पार्वती नंदन शुभानना
गुरु गोविंद श्री साई
प्रशान्ति निलया राधे गोविन्दा
श्री गुरु जय गुरु विठ्ठल गोविंदा
श्री गुरु जय गुरु विठ्ठल गोविन्दा
श्री गुरु जय गुरु विठ्ठल गोविंदा श्री गुरु जय गुरु विठ्ठल गोविंदा श्री साईनाथ गुरु गोविंदा श्री साईनाथ गुरु गोविंदा पतिपुरीश्वर जय गोविंदा पतिपुरीश्वर जय गोविंदा प्रशान्ति निलया राधे गोविंदा
प्रशान्ति निलया राधे गोविन्दा
श्री गुरु जय गुरु विठ्ठल गोविंदा
श्री गुरु जय गुरु विठ्ठल गोविन्दा
श्री गुरु जय गुरु विठ्ठल गोविंदा श्री गुरु जय गुरु विठ्ठल गोविंदा श्री साईनाथ गुरु गोविंदा
देवी साई माँ देवी सरस्वती माँ 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 दुर्गा भवानी माँ काली कपालिनी माँ दुर्गा भवानी माँ काली कपालिनी माँ दुर्गा भवानी माँ काली कपालिनी माँ काली कपालिनी माँ जगदोधारिणी माँ
जगदोधारिणी माँ
जगदोधारिणी माँ
जगदोधारिणी माँ
साई दया करो माँ
साई दया करो माँ
सत्य साई दया करो माँ
सत्य साई दया करो माँ
देवी साई माँ देवी सरस्वती माँ देवी साई माँ देवी सरस्वती माँ दुर्गा भवानी माँ काली कपालिनी माँ दुर्गा भवानी माँ काली कपालिनी माँ जगदोधारिणी माँ साई दया करो माँ साई दया सत्य साई दया सत्य साई दया देवी साई माँ देवी सरस्वती माँ आनन्दमया भगवान्
प्रभु साई राम, कृपा निधे दीनों के प्राण, ले लो प्रभु मुझे शरण लगा लो, मुझे दया करो भगवान, मुझे कृपा करो भगवान। आनंदमया भगवान, हे प्रेममया भगवान।
जय कौसल्यानन्दन राम, परमानन्द आनन्द राम।
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 जय शिर्डीश परतीश राम, जय प्रशान्ति साईश 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 राम।
जय कौसल्यानन्दन राम, परमानन्द आनन्द राम।
जय कौसल्यानन्दन राम, परमानन्द आनन्द राम।
मंगल पावन नाम, जय सुन्दर वैदेहि 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 राम।
जय सुन्दर साईश राम।
जय सुन्दर साईश राम।
जय सुन्दर साईश राम।
जय सुन्दर साईश राम।
जय कौसल्यानन्दन राम, परमानन्द आनन्द राम।
जय कौसल्यानन्दन राम, परमानन्द आनन्द राम।
जय शिर्डीश परतीश राम, जय प्रशान्ति साईश राम।
जय शिर्डीश परतीश राम, जय प्रशान्ति साईश राम।
जय कौसल्यानन्दन राम, परमानन्द आनन्द राम।
जय कौसल्यानन्दन राम, परमानन्द आनन्द राम।
मंगल पावन नाम, जय सुन्दर वैदेहि राम।
मंगल पावन नाम, जय सुन्दर वैदेहि राम।
जय सुन्दर साई नरा परमानंद आनंदरा
शुभदायि जननी पतीश्वरी जननी शुभदायि जननी पतीश्वरी जननी कारुण्यरूपिणी कल्याणदायिनी कारुण्यरूपिणी कल्याणदायिनी शुभदायि जननी पतीश्वरी जननी ओंकार रूपिणी साईश्वरी जननी ओंकार रूपिणी साईश्वरी जननी अभयप्रदायिनी देवी जगज्जननी अभयप्रदायिनी देवी जगज्जननी माता जगन्मयी श्री साई जननी माता जगन्मयी श्री साई जननी शुभदायि जननी पतीश्वरी जननी कारुण्यरूपिणी कल्याणदायिनी ओंकार रूपिणी साईश्वरी जननी अभयप्रदायिनी देवी जगज्जननी माता जगन्मयी श्री साई जननी माता जगन्मयी श्री साई जननी शुभदायि जननी पतीश्वरी जननी
जय हो नटराज जय हो नटराज जय हो नटराज
जय हो नटराज
जय हो नटराज
जय हो नटराज
जय हो नटराज
जय हो नटराज
गंगाधर शंभो हे नटराज
गंगाधर शंभो हे नटराज
गंगाधर शंभो हे नटराज
गंगाधर शंभो हे नटराज
हाललोचना पाहि मुरारी,
हाललोचना पाहि मुरारी,
हाललोचना पाहि मुरारी,
हाललोचना पाहि मुरारी।
हालाहलधर हे त्रिपुरारी,
हालाहलधर हे त्रिपुरारी,
हालाहलधर हे त्रिपुरारी,
हालाहलधर हे त्रिपुरारी।
जय हो नटराज,
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 जय हो नटराज।
गंगाधर शंभो हे नटराज,
गंगाधर शंभो हे नटराज,
हाललोचना पाहि मुरारी,
हाललोचना पाहि मुरारी,
हालाहलधर हे त्रिपुरारी,
हालाहलधर हे त्रिपुरारी।
जय हो नटराज,
जय हो नटराज,
जय हो नटराज,
जय हो नटराज,
जय हो नटराज।
हे शिव शंकर नमामि शंकर शिव शंकर शंभो।
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 हे गिरिजापति भवानी शंकर,
गिरिजापति भवानी शंकर,
हे गिरिजापति भवानी शंकर,
गिरिजापति भवानी शंकर।
शिव शंकर शंभो।
शिव शंकर शंभो,
शिव शंकर शंभो।
शिव शंकर शंभो,
शिव शंकर शंभो।
शिव शंकर शंभो,
साई शिव शंकर शंभो।
साई शिव शंकर शंभो।
हे शिव शंकर नमामि शंकर शिव शंकर शंभो।
हे शिव शंकर नमामि शंकर शिव शंकर शंभो।
हे गिरिजापति भवानी शंकर,
गिरिजापति भवानी शंकर,
शिव शंकर शंभो।
शिव शंकर शंभो,
शिव शंकर शंभो।
शिव शंकर शंभो,
शिव शंकर शंभो।
शिव शंकर शंभो,
साई शिव शंकर शंभो।
साई शिव शंकर शंभो।
हे शिव शंकर नमामि शंकर शिव शंकर शंभो।
हे शिव शंकर नमामि शंकर शिव शंकर शंभो।
हे गिरिजापति भवानी शंकर,
गिरिजापति भवानी शंकर,
हे गिरिजापति भवानी शंकर।
गिरिजापति भवानी शंकर,
शिव शंकर शंभो।
शिव शंकर शंभो,
शिव शंकर शंभो।
शिव शंकर शंभो,
शिव शंकर शंभो।
शिव शंकर शंभो,
साई शिव शंकर शंभो।
साई शिव शंकर शंभो।
हे शिव शंकर नमामि शंकर
शिवशङ्कर शम्भो
विठ्ठला नारायणा विठ्ठला नारायणा नारायण हरे नारायण नारायण हरे नारायण विठ्ठला नारायण मधुसूदना नारायण मधुसूदना नारायण हे शेष शयना नारायण हे शेष शयना नारायण नारायण हरि नारायण नारायण हरि नारायण नारायण हरि नारायण हरि विठ्ठला नारायण नारायण हरि नारायण विठ्ठला नारायण मधुसूदना नारायण हे शेष शयन नारायण नारायण हरि नारायण नारायण हरि नारायण नारायण हरि नारायण विठ्ठल विठ्ठल पांडुरंग विठ्ठल 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 पांडुरंग विठ्ठल 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 प्रतिरंग विठ्ठल 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 प्रतिरंग विठ्ठल 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 साई रंग विठ्ठल 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 साई रंग विठ्ठल विठ्ठला नारायण भजन बिना सुख शांति नहीं हरि भजन बिना सुख शांति नहीं हरि भजन बिना सुख हरि नाम बिना आनंद नहीं हरि नाम बिना हरि नाम बिना आनंद नहीं हरि नाम योग नहीं जप प्रभु दर्श बिना प्रज्ञान नहीं दय धर्म बिना सत्य कर्म नहीं भगवान बिना कोई अपना नहीं हरि नाम बिना परमात्मा नहीं हरि नाम बिना परमात्मा नहीं हरि भजन बिना हरि भजन बिना सुख शांति नहीं हरि नाम बिना आनंद नहीं हरि भजन बिना हरि भजन बिना हरि भजन बिना सुख शांति नहीं
Stress is a pandemic today that all of us are dealing with, and we thought maybe it is a good time to focus on how to deal with this based on what Swami has beautifully explained and given the solutions to us in his numerous discourses, and see how we can make our lives easier and happier.
And what better place to be discussing this from than Prashanti Nilayam, the abode of supreme peace.
Yes, absolutely.
In fact, in the very first Satya Sai Speaks, Volume 1, in one of the most beautiful discourses, Swami says that I have come to alleviate each and every one of you from this moment of stress to a place of serenity and equanimity. And so the one who can bestow upon us the ultimate peace, let us hear and let us discuss what are his tips and how we can enrich our own lives from being a stressful one to being a peaceful one.
So how to move from Ashanti to Prashanti.
Prashanti. That's it.
And we are so happy to be doing this from, as Brother Amey said, Prashanti Nilayam. So can I begin with a story, Prashant? Amey?
Definitely.
So there is this story of a farmer. Now this farmer was a very simple, contented man. He had a little piece of land, and every morning he would go to the fields and he would do his cultivation, and by the time he would come back, it would be late in the afternoon. So his schedule was wherein he was in tune with nature. Get up very early before dawn and sleep very early. As the sun sets, he's also resting. So dawn till dusk. So early morning when he would get up, he would help his wife. Together they would do the chores of the house, and his wife would prepare a little meal for him which he would take because he goes very early, so something to eat mid-morning time. And so he would finish his work, and by the time he completed his work in the ground, in the fields, he would come back perhaps 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, and he would bring some produce, whatever he has cultivated, and the children would be waiting for the father to come, because he had these 2 children who would have gone to the school. They'll come back and together they would have a meal, and he will ask the children, what did you study in the school today, how was the day? And it was a very nice, as they say, the family that eats together and prays together, lives together. It was that kind of a beautiful setting. And after that he would rest for a while, then he would go to the market in the evening, sell his produce, and then whatever he would get, he would share with his wife and children, and night they would again eat together, have a lovely dinner, and then he would tell stories. That would be the time where the children would be waiting for the father because they were a very devout couple. So he would tell them stories from the scriptures, story of Markandeya, Dhruva, Prahalada, and the children would sleep listening to these beautiful stories, and the father and the mother would be waiting for the dawn to get up again before dawn and start their day. And so every day when he went to the fields, there was a song in his heart, there was this beautiful hum on his lips, and he was a picture of joy. And one day when he was going to the fields, so another person meets him and says, his name was Shambhu, this farmer, says, Shambhu, how are you so happy? I mean, every day you come for work and you are like full of elation. What is the secret? And Shambhu says, well, there's no big secret. You know, I just come, cultivate the field, and whatever I earn, I share it with my family. Actually, my wife and children are my inspiration, because whatever I get, my children and my wife, they are very happy. They are happy, so I am happy. So what is the reason to have any worry or anxiety? So I'm always happy. And the man said, yeah, this is very interesting, but so you're all the time happy? He said, yeah, I'm happy. And it continued like that for many days, until one day when Shambhu woke up and he found at the footstep of his house a bag. And it looked very interesting, so he went closer and he saw the bag, and as he peeped, he saw that it was gold. So he got the bag inside, and the whole family now excitedly wanted to see the bag, and they, to their amazement, they see that it is gold coins, and the children and the wife, they together, they want to count the gold coins, and as they count, they find that it is 50, 60, 70, 80, they're so excited, 80 gold coin, 90 gold coins, and as they count, they find that there are more than 95 gold coins. As they count, it is 99 gold coins, and the children are waiting, probably it will be 100, but it just stops there, it is not 100. And everybody is like disappointed, like it's just 99. And they think, the wife says, no, it must be 100. Just check the bag, check the front yard. You know, the person who left this, you know, it's God's grace that he has given us, but definitely, you know, he would have given us one more. So they all check, and it is not there. One more is not there. And the wife says, you know what, we should have that one extra, that one gold coin is missing. Once we have that, you know, we will be as good as that merchant on the high street. You know, they say he has 100 gold coins, we also have 100 gold coins. And Shambhu says, yes, I have to get this. You know, I have to earn this one more gold coin. And so that day he wakes up early, he goes to the fields, he finishes his work, and he goes 2 kilometers away to a factory to see if he can get an additional job there. He gets the late evening job there, and from that day, you know, he's in a hurry because he finishes the work in the fields, sells the produce, comes back, freshens up, goes to the factory, and it was after that just hurry, worry, curry, as Swami says. And the person who used to always admire looking at Shambhu and say that, Shambhu, wow, you are a picture of peace. Now he says, Shambhu, what happened? You know, that song in the heart is no more there, that smile in the lips is no more there. And Ame, what has actually happened is the smiling Shambhu has become now a stressed Shambhu, and he has become a member of what they call the 99 Club, isn't it?
Doesn't it all sound too familiar?
Absolutely.
Sounds a bit like all our lives.
Yes.
When that Shambhu is being described over here. So let's try and analyze this beautiful story. So in the beginning, you have a Shambhu who is absolutely content with whatever he has, and then comes the real turning point in his life towards, sorry to say, but the sad part of his life, which is a bag of 99 coins. And a person who thought that everything was fine is in fact become richer and more well off now. And in spite of becoming more well off, he is more stressed. Why? Because he is asking the question to himself, is there more to life than what I have? Right? After earning a 99 gold coins, he is wondering, is there a little more to life, which is that one missing gold coin? Right? So that's the second step. So a good man, a satisfied man, becomes a doubting man now, because of the doubt of this one missing coin. And then now this one missing coin has put the seed of desire in that doubting mind.
Doubt that what I have is not enough.
Exactly, which is does life have more to give me?
Correct.
Right, the pursuit of that elusive one gold coin has now put in this desire to actually go in for that.
Yes.
And it is this desire which has led, it is that striving to get that elusive utopian gold coin,
Yes.
which has now led him to be more stressful. So very quickly to analyze, a content man gets the bag of 99, has the doubt sowed in his mind because of that one missing coin. That one missing coin has now led to the desire, and that desire has led to stress.
Absolutely. In fact, as you analyze the sequence, I'm reminded of what Bhagwan himself said, way back in his discourse, 28 September 1990. Swami says, the 6 enemies are derivations of the first one, namely Kama. Kama, Krodha, Lobha, Moha, Mada, Matsarya, which Swami always talks about. Swami says it starts with desire. Desire leads to expectation. Expectation related to the senses.
Yes.
And this expectation, when they are not realized, they lead to disappointment. The disappointment leads to anger. Anger leads to losing our discrimination, losing our intellect, and slowly everything is lost.
Exactly. In fact, what Swami has pointed over here is exactly what he himself said in the battle of Kurukshetra. In possibly, I would consider this as the most logical and scientific explanations of why we have stress in our lives. Going back to that point, which is that the law of diminishing marginal utility, and that we are seeking to get infinite, happiness from a finite source. The another point about this world, which is very strange, is that the more and more, just to maintain the same level of peace now, I need more and more of the same. What used to give me happiness before, now no more gives me happiness, and that is what leads to what is called as addiction. Right? All of the addictive substances is all about having more and more just to maintain myself there. So, that is something which is absolutely dangerous, and that leads us to the fourth point, which is that whatever the world gives, the more and more it gives us, it is only going to harm us. It only leads to harm, right? Anything in excess, and that's what Buddha says, the path, the middle path of moderation, the golden path of moderation. And so the world, the more and more you start consuming, the more and more it is going to cause us stress, because it is going to harm us. And finally, we have to depend, it is all the time constantly asking us to depend on something that we don't have. It is asking us to depend on the outside. So these are the 5 problems. If you start depending upon the world to give you peace, this is what is going to happen.
I mean, what is temporary, you're asking what is temporary to give you what is permanent. That is not possible.
It's just impossible, yes.
And in fact, Bhagwan himself has given the diagnosis for this. Both of us have been speaking for half an hour trying to see why this stress, why this lack of peace. But if you see, Swami himself has given this formula, and he's given it so sweetly, so beautifully. So I think we should listen to Bhagwan, isn't it, Amit?
Absolutely. And so this is a beautiful clipping from a discourse given in Kodaikanal in 1991, in which Swami in fact tells us how we can get this peace. What is the exact solution to it? And having once heard it from Swami, let's dive deeper into what are those points that Swami is telling us. So let us listen with rapt attention to Bhagwan.
This is cloth.
This is a cloth.
This is cloth.
But this is not the cloth.
Bundle of threads.
It is nothing but bundle of threads.
This is threads cotton.
It is not threads.
This is cotton.
It is cotton.
First cotton.
First it was cotton,
Second thread.
then it became thread,
Cloth.
and finally it became a cloth.
Without cotton there is no thread.
Without cotton there is no thread.
Without thread there is no cloth.
Without thread there is no cloth.
First thoughts is like cotton.
Thought is like the cotton.
We are fine.
Desires is threads.
Desires are the threads.
Mind is cloth.
Mind is like the cloth.
Bundle of desires is mind.
Mind is nothing but a bundle of desires.
ఇప్పుడు ఈ క్లాత్ కుదరతే ఒక్కొక్కటి రిమూవ్ చేస్తే there is no cloth.
If you want to destroy the cloth, you have to remove the threads one by one.
అదే రీతిగానే డిజైర్స్ క్రమక్రమంగా మనం తగ్గించుకుంటే there is no mind.
If you reduce the desires gradually, there will not be any mind at all.
Less luggage, more comfort, make travel pleasure.
If you travel with less luggage, it is very comfortable.
Life is like a long journey.
Life is like a long journey.
We desires are luggage.
Desires are the luggage.
ఈ లగేజెస్ కొంచెం తగ్గించుకుంటే మనం ట్రావెల్ సులభంగా చేసుకోవచ్చు.
If you reduce the luggage, our travel will be very comfortable.
Too much desires.
We have too many desires, too much desires.
Very bad.
This is very bad.
ఈ డిజైర్స్ పెరిగే కొద్దీ మనకు అశాంతి పెరిగిపోతుంది.
The more desires we have, the more restlessness we develop.
ఎప్పుడు ఈ డిజైర్స్ తగ్గించుకొని అటాచ్మెంట్ తగ్గించుకుంటే ఎంతనో హాయిగా ఉంటారు.
When we reduce the desires and attachments, we'll get peace of mind.
Many people, they want peace of mind. I want peace of mind. I want peace of mind.
Many people keep saying, I want peace of mind. I want peace of mind.
I want peace. I want peace.
I want peace, they say.
How many words are there? I want peace. These are 3 words.
The sentence has 3 words.
I want peace.
There are 3 words. I want peace.
I is ego. Want is desire. Remove it. Peace is there.
From these 3 words, if you remove the 2 words, I, which is ego, want, which is desire, then you are left with only peace.
ఇప్పుడు స్వామి దగ్గర నుంచి ఒక బుక్ కావాలని చెప్తాం.
You want a book from Swami.
ఇప్పుడు స్వామి ఒక పార్సల్ చేస్తాడు నీకు.
Swami sends it by a parcel.
ఈ పార్సల్ చేసినప్పుడు నీకు ఆ బుక్ ఎట్లా
But when it is sent by parcel, how do you get the book?
పార్సల్ అనేటువంటి బ్యాక్ రిమూవ్ చేస్తే లోపల బుక్ చిక్కుతుంది.
If you remove the outer covering of the parcel, you get the book.
ఈ యొక్క పార్సల్ అనేటువంటి ఈ ప్యాకింగ్ రిమూవ్ చేయకుండా లోపల బుక్ మనకి ఎట్లా లభిస్తుంది?
Without removing the outer covering of the parcel, how can you get the book?
కనుక పీస్ అనేటువంటి ఒక పార్సల్ లో వచ్చేసేస్తుంది.
The peace is given to you in a parcel.
దీనికి ఒకవైపున ఐ అనే ఈగో, ఒకవైపున డిజైర్ అనేటువంటి దీన్ని ప్యాక్ చేస్తుంది.
So this peace is packed in 2 things. I with the ego and want with the desire.
ఈ రెండింటిని మనం విడిదిస్తే మన బుక్ మనకు ఆ పీస్ అనేటువంటి మనకు లభిస్తుంది.
So if you remove the ego and desire, you naturally get the
అప్పుడే
peace.
మనకు పీస్ చిక్కుతుంది.
That is what is peace.
So that is what is peace. Bhagwan gives that formula. I think all of us have heard this also many times. This is nothing new. But every time you listen to it, you feel that we have to contemplate on it deeper and deeper. I want. Swami says, remove want. And that's what we are saying. Don't say, I want this looking at the world. The moment you are saying want, that is desire, as Bhagwan is saying.
Yes.
And I, removing that I, saying, okay, I accomplished this, I achieved this, I can do this, I will be able to get this done. You know, that whole feeling of ego.
And I think very simply, ego is just identification with his body mind.
Absolutely. Yes, yes.
Sri Kada Sarva Prana ओम जय जगदीश हरे। माता पिता गुरुदैवं मरियन्तरु नीवे स्वामी मरियन्तरु नीवे। नाथ ब्रह्म जगन्नाथ नाथ ब्रह्म जगन्नाथ नागेन्द्र शयना ओम जय जगदीश हरे। ओंकार रूप शिव साई महादेव सत्य साई महादेव। मंगल हारति अनुपम मंगल हारति अनुपम मंगल गिरिधारी ओम जय जगदीश हरे। नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण 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 ओम नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम जय सद्गुरुदेवा। नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण 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 ओम नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम जय सद्गुरुदेवा। नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण 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 ओम नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम जय सद्गुरुदेवा। शांति शांति शांति। सर्वे जनाः सुखिनो भवन्तु।
जय बोलो भगवान श्री सती साई महाराज की
जय